Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick video, I'll show you how to change your keyboard on any Android phone, whether you want Gboard, Samsung keyboard or something more stylish. So let's go. First, unlock your phone and open the settings app. Now, depending on your phone brand, look for System. Locate it and then tap on it. And then tap Languages and Input. Now tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Tap on Manage On-Screen Keyboards. Here choose the keyboard you want to use. For example, Gboard, Samsung keyboard, SwiftKey, etc. Just simply toggle it and tap OK. And done, your selected keyboard is now active. Open any messaging app and your new keyboard will appear. If the keyboard you want is not installed, go to the Google Play Store, search and install your favorite keyboard like Gboard, Microsoft SwiftKey or Grammarly keyboard, then follow the same steps to enable it. And yes, that's how you change your keyboard on Android. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Android tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.